Okay, here we are at near the city. It's chimneys down, so it's a ways down there. It's probably like a 10-foot chimney, maybe 4 feet. So, there was damage just in from where the chimney turns down, and we decided to patch it to repair it because it was the only spot of damage in the sewer. And we'll show you. So there's the end of it, and it goes low right there. That's part of the reason why it was damaged in the first place. But you can see at the end of the patch, that whole area is covered. So yeah, it turned out great. We'll just inspect the rest of the line, make sure there isn't anything else that I missed. This is all 6-inch clay. I don't think I missed any damage in here. And there's the 4x6, and this is all 4-inch transite, and it's all in good shape. Goes a little low right there. Terrible. And we installed it through this pin out here on the side of the stack.